How to change the Netflix region without using the VPN. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So watch this video till the very end to know how you can do it. First of all, go to the settings of your phone, and after you go to the settings of your phone, on the top search bar you need to search for DNS. After searching for DNS, just tap on the very private DNS option. Now from here you need to tap on the VPN option where there is no VPN. So just tap on private DNS option. Now tap on the DNS provider option. Now here you can simply type the host name of DNS, that is any website like Google Map or anything. You can simply tap the website right here and tap on the save option, and just like that you are done. There is no need for you to use VPN to change the location. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.